Hey guys, Rusty here at Ugly HP. Today we have a 2000 Honda Accord EX, changing the blower motor resistor. They also call it a transistor. Now this thing will cause it to where your AC will not blow cold, but you'll have high-speed fans, nothing else, and it's all tied into that. It won't show on a wiring diagram. I guess first thing we need to do is get this plug off of here. It's got a pin on the back, or a clip on the back, clip on the front. EX and LX is two different style resistors from what the parts store is telling me. Ugh. And no, I'm not pulling on those wires hard, so just trying to wiggle it free. Because I can't see what I'm doing back there. $10mm. Actually, no, it's not. It's 8mm. Sorry about that. My bad. One, two, buckle my shoe. 3. These things are a pain in the butt to diagnose. Let me just double check my plug. It does look kind of different, but from what they say, this is the one. I guess the plug faces a different direction if it's a EX. Just make sure everything else lines up. So we're just gonna put these guys back in there and test her out. I have seen this same thing on Odysseys, and like I said, you can look it up in the wiring diagram, but for some reason, whenever these resistors go, they put the control head in like a security mode. You will see the compressor kick on for a second when you start it up, not when you turn it on and off. But when you turn the motor from on to off, from off to on, and start it, you'll hear the compressor click on and click off. And you can trace that all the way back to this. Well, you can't trace it. They don't show it in the diagram. But this right here will get you. And there we go. All set. Alright, so if you're having AC problems and resistor problems on your Hondas, 2000s, Odysseys, and now I know Accords do it, try your resistor first. And there you have it. Check us out on Facebook, hit the like button and subscribe, and as always, keep wrenching.